Connecting the cameras to the DVR. First, unravel the spool of B and C cabling and separate the two ends. Each end of the cable will have one blue connection and one red connection. Locate the red male connection as seen here. Connect the red male connection to the red female connection on the camera, followed by connecting the blue connections. Make sure to push and twist the blue connections to ensure that they're securely fastened. Locate the video in ports on the back of the DVR. On the other end of the B and C cable, locate the blue connection and fasten it to the channel of your choice. Don't forget to push and twist. Plug the remaining red connection into the 4-to-1 power splitter and repeat the previous process for your remaining cameras. Once all your cameras are connected, connect the splitter to its power adapter. Plug the power adapter into a surge protector to begin powering your cameras.